Hey everyone, Om Vinayak Gupta here. So, you just bought an electric vehicle? Congrats! Welcome to the club where your wallet is happier and oil changes are just bedtime stories you tell your gas-powered friends. But hold up, you live in an apartment, right? And you just realized charging your EV isn't as simple as charging your phone. Plugging into your neighbor's living room outlet at 2 a.m.? Not the move. Let's talk apartment EV charging. The struggle is real, but the solutions are actually pretty cool. First up, the classic extension cord. I'm joking, please don't do that unless you love tripping circuit breakers and starting awkward conversations with your landlord. Now what works? Public charging stations. Find one using apps like PlugShare or ChargePoint. Sure, you might have to walk a bit, but hey, that's what podcasts and questionable coffee from the gas station are for. Bonus, you get to humble brag about your daily step count. But what if you want the VIP treatment at home? Enter shared charging solutions. Some apartments are getting wise and installing shared chargers for residents. It's like Netflix, but for electrons. You just plug in, swipe your card, and boom, your car is binging on electricity. If your building doesn't have one, gather some neighbors and petition management. Nothing brings people together like complaining about parking. Third option, portable chargers. These are like the power banks you use when your phone's dying, but for your car. They plug into normal outlets, but heads up, they're slow. We're talking like watch the entire Lord of the Rings trilogy and still not full slow. But hey, if you don't drive much, it totally works. If you're feeling extra bold, ask your landlord about installing a dedicated charging spot. Just remember, flattery goes a long way. Maybe buy them coffee or casually mention how much property values go up with EV amenities. Worst case, you get a polite maybe later. Best case, you get to be the apartment hero. And finally, don't forget about workplace charging. Some jobs have chargers in the parking lot. If yours doesn't, well, now's the perfect time to bring donuts to HR and ask nicely. So, to sum up, apartment EV charging is totally possible. You just have to get creative, make some new friends, and maybe bring treats to your property manager. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more electric adventures, and let me know your charging horror stories in the comments. Because let's be honest, we all have one. Happy charging, everyone!